The Parkinson's Association of Alabama is set to host its Moving Forward conference next month. And joining us in studio right now, to tell us more about that, is Mike Tapley. He's a deep brain stimulation consultant with Medtronic. How are you doing?
Doing well, Sheldon. It's good to see you.
So I'm trying to let everybody know, what you might do. You work closely to neurosurgeons and neurologists?
Yeah, I spend a lot of time in neurosurgery and in clinics with neurologists, working with Parkinson's disease patients, trying to help them out with their deep brain stimulation systems.
Yeah, somebody who is diagnosed with Parkinson, what does that mean? What is happening to their brain at that time on a general basis? Right?
Yeah, so Sheldon, that's a great question. There's degeneration that takes place related to some of the cells that produce a very important chemical in our brain called dopamine.
Okay.
And Parkinson's patients, we have between 15 and 20,000 Alabamians who have Parkinson's disease, and oftentimes they'll experience the onset of slight tremors between their thumb and index finger. They can have shuffling of their stepping, we call it festination, and they can have slowness of movement or stiffness.
Yeah.
So,
I guess one of the more famous people who has been diagnosed with that is Michael J. Fox.
Absolutely.
We were just showing some video of a conference that was held down in Montgomery recently. We've got one coming up in a couple of weeks that involves the Parkinson Association of Alabama that they're hosting. Tell us about that.
Yes, so since 1978, Parkinson's Association of Alabama has served the Alabama Parkinson's public, so Parkinson's patients and caregivers. And on February the 13th, from 9:30 to around 3:15 at the Harbert Center, we invite Parkinson's patients, caregivers, and family members to come in and listen to a whole host of speakers who are experts on the subject of Parkinson's disease. They can learn about how to live a better life with Parkinson's, and they can access vendors and a lot of different resources there to help them on their journey with Parkinson's.
If somebody's interested in going, do they just show up? Do they need to register? How does that go?
It would be great if they could register. They can just show up. Again, it's free to the public.
Right.
But one thing that they can do is call 833-473-5465 or go to parkinsonsalabama.com. We are there for the Alabama Parkinson's patient.
There you go. That is the big conference that's taking place on February 13th at the Harbert Center.
Yes.
So we're just under 2 weeks away from that. Mike Tapley, thanks so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good information right there. And Mickey's jealous of his bow tie, by the way. Looking sharp.
He wears it well.
There you go. We got 30 more minutes coming your way. Stay with us. You're watching WBRC 6 News at noon.